Hello friends, today we are going to talk about marks distribution of class 10th 2021-22. Here we will having three sections: reading skill, writing skill with grammar, literature textbooks and supplementary reading text. In part A, we will having reading section of 20 marks which will consist two unseen passages. Each unseen passage will have 12 questions, 12 MCQs from which we have to attempt only 10 from each. After that, there will be literature part. In literature, there will be two extracts from chapters of literature, and from those two extracts we have to do only one. There will be multiple choice question in these extracts also. It will consist 5 marks, and there will be a multiple choice question based extract from poetry also, and there will be two extracts from this, out of which we have to do only one. In grammar part, there will be 12 multiple choice questions, out of which we have to attempt only 10 multiple choice questions, which will be based on these topics: tenses, modals, subject verb concord, reported speech, commands and requests, statements, questions, determiner, use of passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb clauses of condition and time, relative clauses, preposition. Now we are going to talk about part B, in which there will be writing section of 10 marks. In writing section there will be a formal letter writing. Here we will get two options, out of which we have to do only one, which will be of 5 marks. Word limit will be 100 to 120 words. There will be another analytical paragraph based on the given map, chart, report, line, cues, etc. Its word limit will be also 100 to 120, and two options will be given to us, out of which we have to do only one. It will be also of 5 marks. Then literature part. In literature, there will be 6 questions out of 4 which we have to attempt. These questions will be short answer type question to be answered in 20 to 30 words. There will be 3 questions from first flight, out of which we have to do 2, and 3 questions from footprints without fate, out of which we have to do 2. These will consist 2 marks each, equal to 8 marks for 4 questions. Then for 4 questions we have to attempt out of 6, which will be answered in, which should be answered in 40 to 50 word. There will be 3 questions from first flight, out of which we have to do 2, and 3 questions from footprints without fate, out of which we have to attempt any 2. This will consist 12 marks, and one long answer type question from first flight to be answered in about 100 to 120 words. It will be of 5 marks, and one long answer type question from footprints without fate. It should be also answered in 100 to 120 words and consist 5 marks. Thank you and have a nice day.